Want to create your own indoor jungle? Picture this, a space filled with lush greenery, improving air quality, and increasing humidity, all while providing a tranquil environment. Intrigued? Let's dive into our top 5 houseplants that can help you create your own indoor jungle. Starting off our list at number 5 is the snake plant. This sturdy and striking plant is a real survivor. It asks for very little, thriving in low light and requiring infrequent watering. But its true superpower lies in its ability to purify the air, removing toxins and contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Next, we have the spider plant, coming in at number 4. This plant is a champion of adaptability, comfortably growing in a variety of conditions. It's also a prolific propagator, producing baby plants that you can easily repot, making it perfect for filling your space with greenery. Sliding into the 3rd spot is the peace lily. This plant is not just a pretty face, though its beautiful white blooms are certainly a sight to behold. It's also a hard-working air cleaner, helping to rid your indoor jungle of harmful compounds. Number 2 on our list is the pothos plant. This fast-growing vine is incredibly versatile. It can climb, trail, or just hang out in your pot, adding a touch of wildness to your indoor jungle. Plus, it's super easy to care for, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Finally, at the top spot, we have the rubber plant. Known for its large, glossy leaves, this plant adds a dramatic touch to any indoor space. It's also surprisingly resilient, handling changes in environment with grace. And there you have it, our top 5 houseplants for creating your own indoor jungle. Now you have the knowledge to start your own indoor jungle. Remember, spider plants, snake plants, monstera, pothos, and peace lilies are your allies in this green endeavor. They purify your air, uplift your mood, and beautify your space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more indoor gardening tips. Until next time, happy planting!